Hello everyone, in this video we will simply discuss lighting in the context of diecast photography. The shot is currently lit by a LED light, and I'll show you what different direction of light and what different color temperature looks like. So I'm currently using about 4500K 4500K in terms of color temperature, and this looks the most natural to me in a artificial light setting. And I'm currently in a it's nighttime, so if I turn off the lights, it'll be dark, right? It'll be completely dark. And let me just show you what that looks like. So what I just turned off was my room light, which is, I believe, daylight incandescence. So we lost that, and now I'll attempt to switch the color temperature just so you can see the visual changes to the exact same car and the exact same posing, and see what suits your typical what you're going for, the look you're going for maybe, and the presentation you're going for. Let's see. Right, we're going down in color temperature, so it'll get warmer. It's looking more and more like Mexico, right? And this I've used. Okay. It is currently set at 3000 Kelvin, and I have used this color temperature to do some nighttime, daytime shots, right? Pair with a diorama. In a previous video, I've talked about the Lego set that I've built, and using that as a base, and just taking some daylight or evening looking pictures, like dawn, dusk kind of theme pictures. 3000K looks the most right. But if you're perhaps discussing diecast cars, or maybe a model as more of an object, and you want to discuss it and look at it in more detail, perhaps a more cooler color temperature is fitting of what you're looking for. I've set it at the highest that my LED light can go, and it goes up to 9.9K, almost 10,000 Kelvin, and this is absolutely the bluest it will go. And maybe in terms of food, it'll be more obvious, but this is the dentist light. This is like the I just went into a hospital kind of lighting, and you can see the car itself looks more it looks more like I'm examining it, just by changing the color temperature. We didn't do anything else, we just changed the color temperature. And let's take a look at lighting in terms of the lighting direction context, because typically when taking pictures with a camera, or even a phone, right, you point the flash at the car, and it's something that I really don't like, because it makes it look like a toy. The closer you are with the light, and the closer you are with the light, the more it creates harsh shadows, and it just makes it look more and more like a toy. This LED light has some pretty good diffusion, so it doesn't seem like that, but like using the flashlight on your phone will definitely give you that look. And what we have seen just now was the light on top of the car, which is what I do prefer, and what is typical of diecast photography. I've seen putting it on top, even very, very, very close to the car without it being in shot of the camera, is the most presentable and looks the nicest for the car itself. And let's try taking the light to the back of the car, or just pointing it at the back of the car towards the front, and you can see if you're taking the picture from the front, it does leave a harsh shadow, which might give you what you want depending on what you're going for or your editing techniques. So that's a kind of a overview of lighting in diecast photography. Some tips I have is for mobile photography in terms of diecast, you might want to get in really close, perhaps pointing your phone at the putting your phone at the ground and like taking a close shot like this. It makes the car look a lot more realistic without doing anything fancy with the angles. And try not to go above the car, try not to point at it like this, because in real life, taking pictures of a car, you'll never go up this high. So it just makes it look more like a toy. There's a balance to be made, since people who are playing with toys like us want to take pictures of the car in a realistic way, but people who have real cars kind of want to make it look like a toy. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to go for. And I hope you learned something in this video, and I hope this lighting guide and demo kind of showed you what different aspects and different directions of the light help in your diecast photography journey. Thank you so much for watching. Follow, subscribe if you want to see more diecast photography stuff, or even just see more cars. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.